This weekend there's going to be a big car meet in Bangkok at Show DC Mall. It's called All Gen Cars Thailand, and it's been put together by Nitto, Shoku and Racing Web. So that's like three really old school names here. So it's going to be a bit of a reunion. A lot of cars are going to turn up, probably a lot that haven't been seen for a few years. So it should be a pretty big event, should be pretty packed out. And to kick it all off, to create some PR and get it noticed, there's a big display of classic and retro cars in the mall foyer itself. There's some really nice cars here, some really cool stuff. And if that's a pointer to what's going to be on show this weekend, then it looks like it's going to be a very cool event. Just hope the rain, which is hitting everything at the moment, stays off. Apart from that, this should be a cool event.